Today we are doing drop testing on our Wave Energy Scotland device called NetBuoy.
3, 2, 1.
Which is basically a big inflated buoyant pod, and we're dropping it to hit the water at up to about 60 miles an hour. NetBuoy is a project that was funded by Wave Energy Scotland under its novel materials call, and the whole purpose of that is to try and reduce the cost of energy for wave energy devices by looking at novel ways to provide buoyancy or the sort of displacing hull of the device. So NetBuoy is our concept for that, and it comprises reinforced elastomer that's inflated. In principle, we were expecting to see nothing too much, in that we expected it to survive and survive really well. And really what we wanted is a demonstration of how robust it is, and essentially how it can be peak load shedding due to its inherent compliance. We've approached it conservatively. We tried to step up in different heights because we didn't quite know how it was going to respond when it hits the water. So we stepped up in the heights, went to full height in the crane with a fall time of about 3 seconds and maybe about 60 miles an hour impact speed.
Yeah, it's full height now, full yeah. Height. 3, 2, 1.
And it handled it no bother at all. The thing that we didn't really expect to see is the fact that we could see the compliance in the body. Once it hits the water, we could see it decelerating and then the body deformed to some extent, and the slow motion footage we've captured has been really useful for that. So yeah, that's the main thing, is the load shedding and the global response to that.
That wobble.
You can see the initial deceleration, and then it kind of goes again.
Yeah, you can see like shockwave up the side.
Yeah.
It's always been part of our sort of argument or justification for using these materials, is the fact that they are inherently compliant. And one of the big challenges with wave energy is survivability. So when really big storm waves come, if you've got a really rigid structure, it can't move out of the way, it can't deform and come back. Steel just gets bent and stays that way. Whereas this can deflect out of the way, absorb the energy, and then come back to its original shape. So yeah, load shedding really good for survivability.